Countryman, a countrywoman. Now, time for talk una palava sport. We'll talk football. Yesterday, it will be the 20th day of play for MTN Elite 1. And for that MTN Elite 1, some matter, it happened for that side for Melon. Stade Renard, it play against Colombe, winner number 1 for championship. What happened for that match, they give penalty for Colombe. As the Colombe in Bunjara penalty, supporter them for Renard, Stade Renard for Melon, they vex. They say, na fake penalty. They vex. As they vex so, the thing go be for way, the thing go be countryman, and then trouble enter. Now police them protect referee. If police not be protect referee, something for happen for that side to countryman. Wahala enter, palaba day, indon day, bam, and a fake penalty, no be penalty, na fake penalty. You not supposed to give kind of penalty so. You there, we there for year, we support our team. Hey, you be supporter, you be arbiter. Now you be all team. Where football with passion. Football if you make come, you call their baby for your head, where you no be one quarter, especially when you be that person way you like football, so they go pass please. So now so a pass for that side for Melon, and then Fecafoot. A move strong communicate for explain exactly what he pass. He don't explain now well, countrywoman, what he pass. And then he talk say, now commission for discipline, he go on, and then they go see the judgment way, they go give him. Now so the thing a day countryman, country woman. And then another matter, we not supposed to know. The matter na wait. The matter na the one way. So association for referee them. Pre. If we talk say this so referee, they must boycott championship, MTN Elite 1, MTN Elite 2, and Guinness Super League. Referee they say, say now can talk that. We know they for that una matter. Una talk for who say me, una consult who them, una talk with who them. Say most of the people they ask they say me they no go work, they dey for retirement. They can't tell they say una no go where they dey for retirement. They go them. Referee be there for that match Aigle, for Cotton Sport, for where it take place for Mongo. And then Melon too, referee to be there. So referee them. They boycott that order for boycott. They tell their association say they know they did. And then the latest news, what the gather for here and say what the countrywoman. Now say as he did so, they say some new association for freedom, it in the making. Very soon, una go here some new name for association for the freedom. And Fecafoot now, you don't ask other one. Fecafoot, he go for organize some seminar for Bankomo on the 26th to the 28th for all referee them, assistant referee them, for train them, give them, they want to do what they call for big grammar, say capacity building. Yes, which they arbitrate them. And the associations have habilitated unana, they say they go create what union for referee them for Cameroon. You know, go be an association for referee for Cameroon. It go be a union for referee them for Cameroon. Countryman, countrywoman. Una know. Where we come for here, we give una tori, fan tori, and tori day. For that side, for Abel Bobangay. So woman they call you say Patience. I no one give the other name. Samuel Eto'o don't post the picture. When you don't go visit some person for some house, that woman can write and say, you don't come from my place, can't find me, I go tell police them. Then people don't be laugh for social media. You dey stay for play where people in day. Don't person can visit some person for around that area where you did. You return say you go tell police. All people they just say, now because the man they talk, he just they quiet, he just post, he they quiet, he talk, he just cause he do the one, he post, he post the one. I see the post and they go, fear the catch some of these people the way they didn't start comedy. You dey stay inside community. People there for that community. Man can visit, he made a picture for the community. He turn on a wahala with you. He don't say, he don't come for day because say one can threaten you, say you go tell police, and me know what is skin, police will hear that one. That means say, if you talk against some person, the person not get right for pass your quarter again. The person not answer you, but the person not get right for pass your quarter. Now that way, it made me so I feel sing that small music where they call and say, yeah. Black steel, oh, lance, like, yeah. Man feel sing that mutumbo for sika that kind of attitude. The thing they make one, he laugh plenty.